Hi everybody, I'm Bill Houlder and this is Steel Tool Rookie. Today we are working with plumbing and this job site right here in North Bay, Ontario. Come on with me. Looking for the plumber. Where's the plumber?
Hey,
Bill Houlder.
Mark Citrelli. Nice to
Hi
meet
Mark,
you.
nice to meet you. Mark, I just want to tell you a little bit about my background. I'm a retired NHL player. My kids are now moved out of the home and I'm kind of looking for a second career. And I was hoping maybe you can give me some information on being a plumber.
Yeah, for sure. You came to the right spot.
Okay, thanks Mark for taking the time. I was hoping you maybe could tell me how you became a plumber.
I was about 18 years old when I was introduced to actual plumbing with my dad. My dad's been a plumber since 1975. When I was 18, I wasn't sure what I wanted in life. And at the end of it all, my dad said, well, you know what? We have a business. Try it out. See how it goes. You never know. So I was 18 then. I am 47 years old now. I love it. I haven't stopped. Every day is a new day. And you always meet different people, such as yourself. So it's great. I really like it.
So that's the downside. So how long did it take? So you decide that you want to be a plumber. You're 18. Like, what's the process from start to finish of getting to where you are today?
Back then, it was 3 years of college. Now, the 3 years of college back then was 2 months of school in George Brown in Toronto. And then the rest of the year was just straight working with my dad. Accumulate so many hours, right?
Right.
Back then, I think you had to do 3 years with at least 10,000 hours. And once you accumulated the 10,000 hours plus your 3 years with your graduation certificate, then you can go and write your certificate to become a licensed plumber.
Right.
Which I did. So, yeah.
So what are we doing today? What do you got?
Today we are running water pipes for the house. Now, we already roughed in the ABS drain and vents, okay? Today, my employee and myself, were running water pipes.
So I've probably known since I was maybe 5 years old that red is hot and blue is cold, but I have no idea what you mean by roughed in. When you say that you've already roughed something in.
Okay, so as far as the drain and vent pipes, what we're doing is we're running the piping inside the home. Where the toilet's going to be, that's the drain pipe for that. Where the bathroom sink is going to be, that's where the drain pipe for that is going to be. Shower, bathtub, kitchen sink. So the drain and vents we have installed already. It's just been passed. Now we're running water pipes to those fixtures also.
Right.
So, and we're just kind of in the process of doing it. So, yeah.
Okay. Okay, thanks Mark. Maybe you could take us through something you're working on right now.
Absolutely. Okay, Bill, so what we're doing over here, this is a manifold system for the potable water system. So, blue, obviously, cold water. So let's just say this is picking up a toilet, bathroom sink, the bathtub, okay? This will be picking up the kitchen, outside tap. So just to give you an idea of what's going on here, right? So I'm just in the process of doing that along with the hot tube. This is the manifold system that we're using. A little bit different than using the old traditional copper pipe. Times change, we move on with it. We still use copper, when we can. If it's commercial work, we'll use that for non-combustible reasons. So this is my tube cutter. So I got my thumb over here. Just make sure you don't put your thumb. Okay. All right, so the idea is you want to put it inside this outlet over here.
Good.
So, Bill, I'll give you a try there.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm right here.
It's going in this one?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to the bottom, right?
Yeah, to the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm saying we're good there?
You're good there. Tube cutters over there. So what you want to do is make sure it's a nice, clean cut.
Okay.
And yeah. So grab the. There we go.
Oh, perfect. Okay, now.
All right. So.
My technical jargon would be, where's the white thingy?
There's the white thingy. The white thingy is right over here. So one side it's thicker.
Right.
Okay. And the other side is not.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
happening is it's going to slide in. Okay.
Yeah.
When it slides in, it's going to stop at that thick. There's
Okay.
a lip inside here. If it wasn't for that, this thing would go all the way
Right.
through. Okay.
Right.
So I'll let you try that.
Okay. Thinner, thicker, lip. Okay, we're off to the races.
So what we're going to do is use the expander tool. So with your left hand, grab over here.
Oh,
You
my
use
left hand. Okay,
Yeah.
we're going this way?
Whichever's
Yeah,
convenient.
no, you're right. We should all be scared. I got power tools.
Keep on the trigger.
Oh, right, okay.
Keep on going until the you'll see this going rotating, eh? And right about there is good. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said stagger them, correct?
Stagger
Do I
them,
come
yeah.
back down, Mark, or go
Yeah, no,
about
you could stagger it down over here.
down? So, you know, this is where I can be a little bit arrogant because
Dog it, dog
I've
it.
hung up pictures before. Let's see. Oh, or not.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. There we go.
All right.
That's good.
So someone can go to the bathroom now and they'll have water.
Absolutely. Good job, Bill. Good job.
Awesome. Thanks, Mark. I
My
appreciate
pleasure.
it.
No, pleasure's mine.
I've learned blue is cold, red is hot, and I learned that I need a lot more education if I was ever going to be a plumber. And I need work with my drill. I thought I would be slam that drill thing. That really blew up in my face. I'll work on my drill. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you next time on Steel Toe Rookie.